Welcome to our podcast on the Procurist. I'm your host, Max Henry, and today we're diving into some fascinating insights on strategic change through improved procurement orchestration. Joining me is our expert guest, Diana Gavin. Welcome to the show, Diana.
Thanks for having me, Max. I'm excited to discuss this topic. It's really shaking up the procurement world right now.
Absolutely, Diana. Let's jump right in. A recent Forrester study commissioned by Zip has revealed some interesting findings about how organizations are transforming their spend management practices. What's the key takeaway here?
Well, Max, the big shift we're seeing is that procurement and finance departments are being asked to move from tactical to strategic functions. About 72% of the respondents in the study reported this change. It's no longer just about reducing costs. These departments are now expected to play a critical role in advancing digital transformation, increasing resilience, and managing enterprise risk.
That's quite a shift. How are organizations adapting to these new expectations?
To be honest, Max, many are struggling. The study found that while strategic enablement is the goal, about 54% of those surveyed say their spend management practices are still transactional. There's a gap between expectations and reality.
Interesting. What's causing this gap?
Well, there are several factors at play. The top challenges identified in the study were siloed data and systems. That's a big one, affecting 56% of respondents. Then we have inflexible processes at 46%, and too much manual effort at 39%. These issues are really holding back transformation efforts.
I see. So, it sounds like there are some significant hurdles to overcome. How are organizations planning to address these challenges?
Great question, Max. The study suggests that improving orchestration is key. This means centralizing data and insights, improving visibility into enterprise-wide spend, and enhancing the intake of stakeholder needs. About 77% of respondents said centralizing spend data and insights was important or critical to achieving their strategic goals.
Orchestration seems to be a buzzword here. Can you explain what that means in the context of procurement?
Sure thing. In this context, procurement orchestration is a comprehensive concept that enables companies to manage and centrally coordinate the entire procurement workflow. It's about facilitating tasks and information flow across people and cross-functional systems, providing visibility and enabling requests to be executed seamlessly, faster, and more efficiently.
That sounds like quite a game changer. Are organizations looking at new solutions to achieve this level of orchestration?
Yes, absolutely. Many organizations are looking at best-of-breed solutions to complement their existing SVM or S2P suite solutions. These best-of-breed solutions can fill functionality, agility, integration, and innovation gaps.
Interesting. What are the key considerations when choosing these best-of-breed solutions?
Well, integration capabilities are crucial. About 74% of respondents said that the challenges of engaging a best-of-breed solution provider with poor integration capabilities would outweigh the benefits. Similarly, 69% felt the same about poor orchestration capabilities. Organizations are looking for solutions that can deliver more streamlined processes, improved collaboration, better spend visibility, and enhanced innovation.
It sounds like there's a lot to consider. Now, I can't help but notice that AI seems to be playing a role in all of this. How is AI being utilized in procurement orchestration?
You're absolutely right, Max. AI is becoming increasingly important in this space. Many organizations are already using AI for simple clerical task automation, like extracting invoice particulars from PDFs. But the real potential lies in more advanced applications.
Can you give us some examples of these more advanced applications?
Sure. The study found that organizations expect AI to simplify the buying process through guided buying. About 73% of respondents mentioned this. They also expect AI to make sourcing more efficient, unlock more insights from documents, and reduce purchase cycle time. Some are even looking at AI for negotiation support and improved ability to estimate or fill in missing data.
That's fascinating. It seems like AI could really transform the procurement function.
Absolutely, Max. The goal is to move beyond just automating menial tasks and use AI to prioritize tasks and optimize decision making. This could significantly reduce time spent on routine work and allow procurement teams to focus more on strategic initiatives.
It sounds like we're on the cusp of a major shift in how procurement functions. What do you think the future holds for this field?
Well, Max, I think we're going to see a continued evolution. Procurement and finance processes are subject to constant transformation as they adapt to changing environments. While cost control will remain a key focus, we'll see these functions increasingly contributing to a wide range of business objectives.
And how do you see technology playing a role in this evolution?
Technology, especially AI and best-of-breed intake and procurement orchestration solutions, will be crucial. These tools will help align procurement, finance, and IT stakeholders to provide better spend control, tech stack integration, and unified user experiences. We're likely to see more organizations adopting these solutions to stay competitive and drive strategic change.
This is all incredibly insightful, Diana. Before we wrap up, do you have any final thoughts or advice for organizations looking to improve their procurement orchestration?
My main advice would be to start by assessing your current processes and identifying the key pain points. Look for solutions that can address these specific challenges, whether that's improving data visibility, streamlining processes, or enhancing collaboration. And don't underestimate the power of AI. It's not just about automation, but about unlocking strategic insights that can drive real business value.
Excellent advice, Diana. Thank you so much for sharing your expertise with us today. Thanks for tuning in to The Procurist. We'll catch you next time.
Thanks for having me, Max. It's been a pleasure.